What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to easily add friends on Snapchat. So let's get it on. So first, go to your Snapchat, and right after you open your Snapchat, you will see that you can swipe for friends, and just swipe to the right. And after you swipe that, you will see this a bunch of profiles that you can add. Most of them are bot, but you can still add some real friends there. And if you want to add them, just click add button on the right. And as you can see, they are added. Or what you can do is to go to this icon right here, location. You can also add friends on this map. Just go to whatever location you want and you will see that there are some stories that is being posted by other people, and you can see that. And for example, right here, I can choose this story right here, and I will see their stories, and actually, I can add them as a friend. Or last thing that you can do to add some friends is go to Google and search for a Wave Snapchat. Also, you can download it on Google Play Store. What this app do is it's like a Tinder. You just need to connect your Snapchat account, and it really works like a Bumble. You just need to swipe on different people that this app shows you if you want to add them as a friend, and that's it. That's how you do it. And this is the most interesting way to add friends on Snapchat, because it's free. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.